You're about to receive a new X-ray apron. This app will help to ensure that it fits you properly. Introducing Barrier Technologies X-ray Apron Sizer, the web-based app that will perfectly capture your body's measurements for the best X-ray protective apron fit. The measurement process should be done without shoes, wearing fitted clothing as tank tops. Yes, exactly like that. Gather your hair in a round bun behind your head if you have long hair. Ensure the room you've chosen is comfortable and spacious enough to position your mobile device approximately 3 steps away. Make sure the device is positioned at a 90-degree angle and at hip height. The app will guide you through the entire process, step by step.
Step backwards into the spotlight. Your feet should be above the pink line.
All you need to do is follow app's visual demonstration, coupled with the voice instructions. To maintain maximum privacy, we blur your face throughout the entire scan, and the images are immediately deleted upon completion of the process. During the rotation, don't rush. Complete a full turn at the same pace as the figure guiding you in the application. This is crucial for a successful scan. Well done, you've successfully completed the scan. Now you can enjoy an X-ray apron that will fit you perfectly. Congratulations on your new X-ray apron.